Need to ensure you're collecting the right amount of sales tax on your orders? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to edit and manage taxes and duties in your Shopify settings. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Shopify can automatically handle most common tax calculations, but it's crucial to review and configure them correctly for your business location. First, navigate to Settings and then Taxes and Duties. Here, you'll see your tax regions, like the United States. Click Collect Sales Tax to set up taxing for a specific state or country. You'll need to enter your state sales tax permit number. Once added, Shopify will automatically calculate and collect sales tax for all orders shipped to that region based on the latest rates. You can also create overrides for specific products, like digital items, which may have different tax rules. You can also choose whether your prices include tax. A crucial pro tip: if you have Nexus in multiple US states, you must set up tax collection for each one individually. Using a tax automation app can simplify this if you have a complex, multi-state sales volume. And just like that, you're managing your tax obligations like a pro. Proper tax setup keeps you compliant and avoids surprises during tax season. Have you found Shopify's automatic tax calculations to be accurate for your region? Share your experience below. For the next step in order management, watch our next video on how to fulfill orders in Shopify. Thanks for watching.